In Excel, counting data is not just about numbers, it's about what you want to count. That's why Excel provides a family of count functions, each designed for a specific purpose. Hello and welcome to Blank Academy. In this video, we will explore the 5 main count functions using clear examples and tables. Let's get started. First, I want to introduce the first member of the family and the main function in this family, that is the same count. Let's start with the data set in column A like this. For example, 10, 25, apple, a blank cell, and 50. And now if I write count in a cell in worksheet, you can see different members of the count family: count, count A, count blank, COUNTIF, and COUNTIFs. The first member, that is the simplest member in this family, is count. And if I use it like this with a bracket and select the range, you can see that the output is 3 because count only considers the numeric cells, numeric values in the range of the data. Here you can see only 3 cells contain numbers, 1 contains a text value, and 1 is blank. So these 2 are ignored and 3 others are counted. The next member of this family is count A. If I write count again, you can see the next one is count A. And if I select the same range, you can see that the output is now 4. Because count A counts non-empty cells, so only 1 cell is now blank and it's empty, and 4 other are filled with the values. The other member of this family is count blank, and as it's obvious from its name, only the blank cells are counted if I select the same range. So you can see that the output is 1. Only 1 blank cell is included here. If I expand the cell range here and some other blank cells be included in the range, you can see that the number of blank cells is increased. But let me work on the same range to compare the output of different members of the family. The next member of this family is COUNTIF. Now, if I select the same range, I can specify a condition that is criteria here. Using a comma, you can go to the next argument here and specify the criteria for the COUNTIF. For example, I can say greater than 10. So Excel will count the values that are greater than 10 in the range I specified. You can see that it's 2 because only 2 items are greater than 10, and 10 is exactly the same value I entered, and it's 10. So 25 and 50 are valid in the range I specified. If I expand the values in another column like this and write another values like this: 5, 45, 12, again apple, orange, orange again, banana, apple, and again banana, for example. So if I again write count F and select the range, the new range, and criteria like, for example, apple, the cells containing the text apple will be counted. So you can see here 3 cells contain apple here. If I change it to another things like banana, you can see that it's 2 because 2 cells contain banana. You can also specify a range for the values. If I enter greater than 10, you can see that it's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 values are numeric and are greater than 10. The next member of this family is COUNTIFs. With COUNTIFs, you can constrain your range and you can specify more than 1 condition to your counting. Let me introduce some other values like yes and no. For example, randomly, I'm writing something like this. Now I can provide 2 conditions for 2 columns. It can be done for 1 single column, but I want to expand my conditions to more than 1 column. So if I write COUNTIFs and select the range, as you can see, first the criteria range should be selected. The first column can be selected for the range and criteria, for example, greater than 10 again, and criteria 2 with the range. You can specify the same range, but for this example, I want to introduce the next column as next range. And if yes or no, for example, yes, be selected, you can specify a new condition. So you can see that it's 2 because 1, 2, 3, 4 with the first condition, but for the next condition, only the yes values can be counted. So only this one and this one can be selected and counted. So the output is 2 here. So as a summary, I want to say that count only counts the numbers, count A only counts non-empty cells, and count blank gives you the blank cells. COUNTIF counts with one conditions, but COUNTIFs counts with multiple conditions. So by mastering these 5 functions, you gain full control over how you analyze and count data in Excel. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question, you can write questions as comments below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video to your friends. See you in other videos.